Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how I made this unit that I'm rocking. It is a full wig using only bundles and no closure. And I'm going to show you how I made my closure that I have on this unit. So let's get into the hair that I'm using. Alright, the hair that I have in is from a company called Today Only Hair Company. That's Today Only, you guys. And I have their Brazilian, Kinky Curly, 2-tone, 1B, and 27 hair. Okay, I got a weaving cap with the hair, a mesh weaving cap. And I got eyelashes too, you guys, but I don't know where I placed them. But I did get eyelashes in the package. And I have 4 bundles of 12-inch. And look at the hair. I love the color. 1B27. Oh, it looks so nice. And as you can see, here are the bundles. And they look thick. The wefts are thick, which is nice. And the hair is nice. Look at that color, you guys. And the ends aren't dry. Look at the color. OMG. Alright. Okay, this is the mesh cap that we'll be using. The mesh wig cap to make the wigs on. And we'll be using the sewing needle, the curved sewing needle. So let's get started. We're just going to be sewing the bundles. I doubled the bundles and we'll be sewing them back and forth, going all the way around to the top. No, he don't recognize you. Recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give me, cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. And now I'll be using a piece of mesh, just a piece of mesh I cut off from when I did another closure. You just, you cut off the front of the closure with that extra mesh. And that's what I'll be using. I'll be pinning it down with the T-pins. And then we're going to sew it down to our cap. And now I'm just gonna sew some more tracks going around till we come up right to where our closure is going to be. Tell me where he go. Tell me why you man not here. Tell me why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else to be there for you, girl. Now I'm going to take off the wig and we're going to cut out the mesh that's underneath just by the closure part. See, just a little part here, we're just going to cut it out. And now I'm going to place a little piece of plastic on top of the mannequin because we are going to glue down our tracks. We cut some little small pieces of our tracks. And I'm going to use the glue gun, you guys. Yeah, I'll be using the hot glue gun to do this. So we cut it into small strips like I showed you. And now we're just going to glue them down using the invisible part method. That's when you lay one track right on top of the other. And all the way till we reach the top. Now we'll be doing 2 rows, one on both sides, going all the way up. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Real, recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give me, cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby.
why your man not here. Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. You know I'm waving. Baby, you know I, baby. Waving, baby. I'm waving. I'm waving. You know I wave, baby. Wave.
And now we're going to make a little part for where the opening at the back is. So we're just going to glue the tracks together with the hot glue gun. You can sew this part, but I'm trying the hot glue gun. Hopefully it works. So just going to fold it and glue them together.
Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize.
And now I'm going to use the flat iron and open up the tracks a bit and then try and flatten them with the flat iron. And I know it's hot glue, so I hope it doesn't ruin it or melt it too much. Alright, you guys, I'm flattening it out. Okay, after I flattened it out, it did make it kind of whitish, but the glue, you just pick it right off. It comes off. That's the nice thing about the hot glue. And here's the opening that I'm just going to add some more hot glue and then just press it down and then we're all done. And any white stuff you see with the glue, you guys, it comes right off. Just pick it right off and it comes off. And here's our finished look, you guys. Making our full wig without a lace closure. I think it turned out very nice. I like how it looks. And I love the two-tone. Yes, and here is the closure, you guys. You see? Doesn't it look nice? You couldn't tell if I didn't have a lace frontal. Sorry, not a lace frontal. You can't tell if I don't have a closure in there. A lace closure. Which I don't, and I think it looks very nice. This is the first time I'm trying this, but I said, you know what? I show you guys units with frontals and with closures. I wanted to show you how to make a full wig without a closure, just using the bundles. And I have in 4 bundles, you guys, 4 bundles of 12 inches. Yeah, I love this 1B27 OMG. It looks so nice. I love the two-tone. And here's the back. Here's bouncy and nice. And it's very nice. And I did co-wash the hair, you guys. I co-wash my unit. I think it looks very nice. And here's how it looks with a side part. The first look was the center part. Now I'm showing you guys how it looks with the side part. Still looks very nice. I am loving this here, you guys. Such a nice color for summer. The 1B27. And remember, it's 4 bundles of 12 inches from the company Today Only. And I'm loving their hair. Look at their curls. OMG. The curls are so nice. And it's the Brazilian Kinky Curly. I love it. I love the texture. I love the color. Today Only, you're doing your thing. You're doing your thing. I love the color. You know, if you're dyeing your hair yourself, which you can, it's very hard to get this color. Take it from me. I know it's very hard. I have tried. And I love the fact that I can just get it online. Yeah, from Today Only. you guys, this is my initial review of this hair, and I just wanted to show you guys how to make a unit without a closure. You can order the 4 bundles like I did, and then make yourself a wig. Yeah, it's very straightforward, it's simple, it's easy. So I'm going to leave a link below to Today Only Hair Company, so you can go over and check out what they have over there. And they have lots of nice deals for you, and bundle deals too. You don't have to just buy tracks like I did. I mean bundles like I did. You can buy bundles with the closure or with a frontal, whatever you choose. So I'm going to leave the link below for you guys to go over and check them out. And remember, I'm rocking the Brazilian Kinky Curly, 4 bundles of 12 inches in the color 1B27. And they have other colors too that you can choose from, not just 1B27. So go on over and check them out. And you know, you have longer lengths too. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.